Thank you very much, Mr. Vice President. The International Federation of Journalists and its Somalia affiliate, the National Union of Somali Journalists, would like to thank the various mandatees of the special procedures for their continued engagement to highlight abuses of human rights in Somalia. IFJ and NUSOJ are gravely concerned by the continued attacks on journalists, freedom of expression and freedom of association, which has recently deteriorated significantly. Somalia has become the theater for the gravest possible patterns of human and trade union rights violations. Since the last report of the independent expert on human rights situation in Somalia to the Human Rights Council, 21 journalists have been arrested, 2 journalists were killed in central Somalia, 10 journalists were wounded, while 3 media houses were closed down. Attempts to manipulate and suppress independent media deepened, with the stigmatization of critical journalists intensified. On 13 July, Somalia's Council of Ministers passed a new media law described by organizations of journalists and media as draconian in its restrictions on media freedom. The International Labour Organization supervisory mechanisms have investigated and found serious and systematic violations of the right to freedom of association committed by the federal government of Somalia, especially the Ministry of Information, against the National Union of Somali Journalists. We therefore call on the UN Human Rights Council to act urgently to stop the human rights crisis that the country started to descend to by holding Somalia accountable for both its widespread human rights abuses and its contempt of the UN human rights mechanisms such as the ILO. I thank you, Mr. Vice President.
Thank you. Now I give